think Oracle is harder to hack. One SQL injection query will dump the entire database. This is BSCP Lab 6, and just like Lab 5, we're going after the database contents. But this time we're targeting an Oracle database, so the payloads are a little different. We start by intercepting the request in Burp suite. Then we check column count using something like union select A, B from dual. Oracle requires from dual, which is a special system table used for test queries. Once we confirm 2 columns, we dump table names using Oracle's system. Table all tables. Union select table. Name null from all tables. Boom. Now we know every table in the Oracle. DB. Now we pick the table we want and extract its column names. Union select column mot name. Null from all tab columns where table mot name users. This gives us the username and password fields. Finally, we pull the real data. Union select username, password from users, and that's it. Full database access and admin credentials obtained. Lab solved. If this helped, drop a fire in the comments and subscribe for Lab 7. We start bypassing filters next, and it gets way more fun.